Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely going to love my channel. So make sure you like and subscribe, turn on those notification bells for all of the latest updates, and today, let's get right into it. So today, I want to talk about one of my favorite t-shirts. Balmain, is their ready-to-wear worth their price tag? So we have my beautiful Balmain medallion t-shirt. This one does retail for $480. It does say Belmont Paris on the front. It does have some beautiful lion detailing on the emblem, and the difference between this one is this one actually has a velvet finish. So they make this t-shirt in a variety of finishes. This one right here, this does have a beautiful velvet touch to it. Some of them do have it just ironed on, there's some print-ons, and then there are just some that just say Belmont, their simple classic name. But there are a few different versions of the medallion. This one specifically is my all-time favorite. This t-shirt is an extreme slim fit. So I did go ahead and measure it for you guys in inches. So the length of the specific shirt will be 27 inches on the front, and then it does hang down just a little bit in the back, and the back itself will be 28 inches. For the width of the shirt, it is just about 17 and a half. It goes to the third line after the 17 mark. This honestly fits like a glove. It's one of my absolute favorite shirts to wear. Of course, I will be inserting some photos as well. On the actual shirt right here, on the sides, it actually has a crease automatically. That way it like really just like curves and fits onto your body. This one specifically is a size small. This one is absolutely perfect for fits. If I was to get a bigger one just for comfort, I think I would either go with a large or extra large. Just because it is really slim fitting, I would want to make sure that it does kind of fit properly, even though it would be big. So if you've been to my channel before, you know that I always talk about the differences in cotton, and this one is made out of cotton, but this one is such a nice finish to it. So it's so soft, it's so like, it's not stretchy, but just stretchy enough, like very, very hardly. But this one definitely is a very good cotton. I would so 100% recommend this. I'm not gonna lie, it honestly looks so good on me, especially when I pair it with my Versace sunglasses or even Dior sunglasses. And I did get a new Versace bag. That video will be up soon, but I will insert a photo right above. It goes so cute with the bag. That pop of color is just absolutely everything. So this shirt, I honestly cannot recommend it enough. I will say that when it does come to this t-shirt, it is hand wash or dry clean. Pretty much anything luxury will always be hand wash or dry clean. I know how hard that is to hand wash all of your clothes. That's personally what I do. I just don't have the time to get everything dry cleaned. So what I do is I only like wash the spots that like actually matter. So like all of like the important spots I'll hand wash and then let it air dry, of course. And then he is all good to go, brand new, like nice and clean. So definitely keep that in mind when it comes to washing your clothes. Definitely do not put them in a washer or dryer unless you have a gentle setting, and I would personally only do like one item at a time if you do that. So even though this shirt was $480, I do want to recommend that you all check out sites like Frwd.com, Matches Fashion, and FarFetch. You will find some amazing deals. The specific shirt, like I said, did retail for $480. However, I did get it from Matches Fashion, and it was on sale for $160. So obviously you can see that that is such a steal for this item. Nearly 500 down to 160 is such a great price and definitely a great sale. So I will say that like I love a good sale. I'm like the king of sales. So I was so happy that I did get this item. And this item was actually the first luxury piece that my parents ever got me. And this was about maybe like 1 or 2 years ago. So this specific shirt like does mean a lot to me. It is like my first luxury, like authentic like t-shirt. So I'm so happy that I own it and I have it. Absolutely so cute, so worth it. I really cannot recommend it enough. And same with the women's wear too. The women's wear I have never personally worn before, but I cannot tell you how many mini dresses from Balmain that I am absolutely dying for. I will insert some photos of my bad photoshopping right now. However, there's like these looks. I would love to obtain these looks. They're so cute. and definitely one day they're still on my wish list. Honestly, Balmain is so great. I've always been so obsessed with Olivier. As soon as he became the creative director of Balmain, I was just like, he is absolutely perfect. Just everything he does for the brand itself is just absolutely genius. And I am so glad that this world definitely has him in the fashion world because he was so needed. Like I said, the brand is just so chic, so cool, and definitely so much that I want from this brand. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment down below, tell me your thoughts on this specific item, and if you haven't checked out my last video, make sure you check that out, and have a great day. Au revoir!